Determinants. To every square matrix capital A, we can associate a number. This number may be real or complex, called the determinant of a matrix A, and it is denoted by capital A like this, or we read it determinant A or delta. For the determinant A, we can use also the symbol delta. The determinant of a matrix of order 1. Order 1 means 1 into 1. Let matrix A is this with a matrix of order 1. Then the determinant of A is defined to be equal to A. We take one example. A equal to this matrix A, only one element in this matrix, and its order is 1 into 1. Then the determinant A will be equal to only A. So this is the way to calculate determinant of a matrix of order 1 into 1. Now determinant of a matrix of order 2. So we take one example. Matrix A is 2, 4, minus 1, 2. This is the matrix of order 2 into 2. Order 2 means 2 into 2. Determinant A is equal to determinant. This is the symbol for determinant, and we take all the elements of the matrix. For calculating the determinant A in this situation, first of all we multiply the elements of the principal diagonal. These are the elements of the principal diagonal, and we multiply this one, 2 into 2, then minus. Now we multiply elements of the other diagonal. This is 4 minus 1. 2 into 2 comes 4, and minus 1 into 4 comes minus 4, and we subtract other diagonal multiple from the multiple of the principal diagonal. In this way we get its value comes 4. So that's why determinant of the given matrix A is 4. Some valuable points are there. Determinant is defined only for a square matrix. If matrix is not a square matrix, then we are not able to find out its determinant. Means determinant is not defined at this situation. Do not confuse with this symbol. This is the symbol. If A is a matrix, this is the symbol for determinant. We not read this as a modulus of A. This is not modulus of A if A is a matrix. This is the determinant of A. Now we take determinant of a matrix of order 3. For this purpose, we take a matrix of order 3, means order is 3 into 3. So now we are expanding with respect to R1. This is the R1. With respect to this one, we are expanding. So here we are free to expand this one. We may expand this matrix with the R1 with respect to R2 or with respect to R3. In the same way we can expand with respect to column also, column 1, column 2, column 3. But we are here expanding, calculating the value of the determinant on expanding with respect to R1. For this purpose, first of all, take elements of the first row. The first element is 2, take 2. If position of the first element is even, then the sign remains same. If the position of the element is odd, then we change its sign. So how we decide this is, we will change sign or not. So if sum of the elements of this element is even, so this is in first row, first column, first row, first column, first plus first, 1 plus 1 comes 2. This is even, it means even position. So for the even position, we take 2 as it is. For this 4, first row second column, so its position 1 plus 2 comes 3, this is odd. So in case of odd we change sign. Now we change sign. Plus 4 is here, but we will take minus 4. Now for this minus 1, its position is first row third column. First row third column, 1 plus 3, this is 4, means this is even position. For the even position we take same element. So this is clear to you. If position is even, we take same element. If position is odd, we change its sign. Otherwise we take as it is. Now for this 2, remove this row, remove this column. So it means this is 1 1, remove first row first column. So we have only this one. So we take determinant of the remaining elements. The remaining elements are 3 2 minus 2 1. We take determinants of that. For this 4, remove first row, remove second column. The remaining elements are 0 1 2 minus 1, 0 2 1 1. So we take determinants of this one. Now for this minus 1, remove first row and third column. The remaining elements are 0 3 1 minus 2. So we take determinants of these elements 0 3 1 minus 2. And we know how we take determinant of 2 by 2. So for the 2 by 2, first of all we multiply the elements of the principal diagonal, 3 into 1 3, and then we multiply elements of the other diagonal. This is 2 into minus 2 minus 4, and then we subtract these two values. In the same way we calculate 0 into 1 0, 2 into 1 2, and then we subtract 0 into minus 2 0, and 3 into 1 3, then we subtract. Now simplify 2 as it is. 3 minus of minus 4 7, minus 4 as it is. This is 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 1, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 2 7 ja 14, minus 4 and minus 2 plus 8, minus 1 and minus 3 plus 3. On adding we have 25. So in this way we calculate the determinant of matrix having order 3.